Guys
the
are
thing stopped.
yeah.
They stopped at 5 minutes 15 seconds. I don't know why.
Oh, guys, and at Dollar Tree we got a GTR.
That's mine.
Yeah, and it's sick. Okay, let's just keep on doing it with the video.
Nissan Skyline ETR R34.
Damn.
And we saw a Ford Focus, a Mustang.
Guys, we
But on the street, we raced
another
Evo.
Evo.
Another Evo with our Evo.
Yeah, and it's where you put the gas. It says, boost for boobs. Boost for boobs. No, boost for boobs. Boost for boobs. Okay. Yeah, just keep on eating. And probably next time we go to Dollar Tree, we're gonna get some squishies so we can tell you them. We can squish them.
No. Squishies are for girls.
God damn. Again, spicy, but guys, I'm just kidding. Okay. Pretty spicy. Okay, guys. We're gonna make an assassin video tomorrow. So we're gonna make a course. Raise your hand if you want to be the cameraman. No, Miguel, you can be the cameraman. I mean, Miguel. Okay, I'll be in him.
No, but we have to take turns. Remember?
We're gonna take turns. First, Miguel's gonna be the cameraman. Whoever fails a trick gets a switch with the cameraman. Okay. Yeah. So tomorrow we're gonna show you the course. We're gonna build it and we're gonna do it. My assassin color is gonna be black and red. My assassin color is gonna be black and green. Miguel?
5.
5?
Mm-hmm. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys how to knock somebody out. Come. Go like right here. Punch him right here. Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1. I knocked him out. Look. He's literally knocked out.
Guys,
Danny, wake up. Danny, wake up. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Gotta go get something, guys. I'm gonna bring the water and
no, you're just gonna sit here.
Yeah. Guys, I need to go get some water.
No, you're not.
You're out then. I'm just kidding. Guys, we could grab a handful.
No, you can't.
Come on, guys, we could do this. Woo! Everyone stop. Fingers. I have more than Reggie. Miguel has more than me. Okay. This is mine. Pretty much bigger than his because he licked his.
These are mine.
And he's more than ours.
No, knock Danny out again.
No, knock me out. It hurts bad.
The camera.
Hmm?
Move your shoulder. Making it work. 3. Get out the chips.
Yeah.
God damn it. He's knocked out and he's worse.